the dehydration of propan-2-ol part 2. From part 1 you can see we've collected 2 sample tubes of product gas, which we hope contain propene. Propene is slightly denser than air, 1.81 kilograms per meter cubed. Air has a density of 1.225 kilograms per meter cubed, so we might expect the propene to sink to the bottom of our tube eventually. Let's just remove the reaction tube and the water trough in order to carry out our tests more clearly. Using a piece of paper to pick up the change more clearly. Right, the first test that we can do is the bromine water test. Quite a noxious substance this, so we'll collect a small sample and introduce it into one of our tubes and see if it decolorises so quickly. A small sample of our bromine water, about a milliliter, and we'll introduce that into our tube. Some water in the bottom of there, but a distinct yellow-orange colour still raids in. Let's shake from side to side and see what happens. Well, the colour is fading, perhaps not as quickly as we would like, but we are getting a disappearance of the orange colour quite quickly, showing the presence of an alkene in our product gas, which we suspect to be propene. And you may be able to pick that up on the movie. It's almost completely colourless now. Not too bad. So we'll leave that one there. The second test that we can do is to do a quick flammability test. See if we can do it this way. So raise that up a little bit. So we want to first extract the water from the bottom of there. We don't want the water being for this test away. I want to have a go at doing it, so we can do that quickly. Hopefully the propene didn't all escape when we were doing that. Next what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of parafilm over the end of the tube. So here we go. And just want to see if it will work this way. Never tried this before. I'll clamp that, invert that, upside down in there. Tilt. Oh, we've got a gap. We have got a gap, so we'll block that enough. And the last thing we want to do is to get a splint or a match and see if we've got any flammable gas there. And you might have seen that little explosion there of the product gases.